Living in Deltona, Florida, offers the beauty of the coastal lifestyle, but it also comes with the challenge of preparing for hurricane season. With the Atlantic Ocean just a short distance away, the region is susceptible to intense storms that can cause significant damage. While hurricanes are a natural part of life in Florida, homeowners can take proactive steps to protect their homes, and hurricane-resistant windows are one of the best investments you can make for your property. In this article, we'll explore why hurricane-resistant windows are a smart investment for Deltona homeowners, and how they can provide both safety and long-term value for your home. Protection against hurricane-force winds and flying debris. When a hurricane strikes, strong winds and flying debris are some of the most destructive forces that can damage your home. A typical hurricane can produce winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, and this force can shatter regular windows, leaving your home exposed to the elements. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed specifically to withstand the force of these winds and prevent flying debris from breaking the glass. These windows are constructed with impact-resistant glass, which is laminated to keep the glass intact even if it's hit by debris. The windows also feature reinforced frames that hold the glass securely in place. This means that even in the event of a hurricane, your windows are less likely to break, which helps maintain the integrity of your home's structure. By installing hurricane-resistant windows, you reduce the risk of severe damage caused by shattered windows, which can lead to water intrusion, wind damage, and even structural collapse in extreme cases. This protection is crucial for homeowners in Deltona, where hurricanes can pose a significant threat. Preventing water intrusion and flooding. One of the most significant consequences of broken windows during a hurricane is water intrusion. When windows shatter, rain and floodwaters can easily enter your home, causing significant damage to your walls, flooring, and belongings. Not only can this lead to costly repairs, but it can also cause long-term issues like mold growth and rot. Hurricane-resistant windows are engineered to provide a tight seal that prevents water from seeping through, even during the heaviest rainfall. This waterproofing feature is especially valuable in Deltona, where storms can bring torrential rains and coastal flooding. By investing in these windows, you ensure that your home stays dry and protected from the damaging effects of water intrusion. Energy efficiency and comfort. In addition to their hurricane protection capabilities, hurricane-resistant windows offer significant energy efficiency benefits. These windows are designed with insulating properties that help maintain a stable indoor temperature by reducing heat transfer. During the summer months, when Deltona experiences high temperatures and humidity, hurricane-resistant windows can keep cool air inside and prevent heat from entering your home. This helps lower your energy bills, as your air conditioning system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. In the cooler months, hurricane-resistant windows also help retain heat, preventing drafts and improving your home's overall comfort. Whether it's the intense heat of summer or the occasional chill of winter, these windows provide year-round comfort and energy savings. Increase home value. Hurricane-resistant windows are not just a safety measure, they are also a smart financial investment. In In Deltona, where hurricanes are a part of life, homes with impact-resistant windows are more attractive to potential buyers. Buyers often see these windows as a sign that the home has been properly prepared for hurricanes, which adds to its marketability. Moreover, hurricane-resistant windows increase the resale value of your home. Home buyers will appreciate the added safety, security, and energy efficiency that these windows provide. Investing in these windows can provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your home is more resilient and market-ready when it comes time to sell. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Another advantage of hurricane-resistant windows is their durability and low maintenance requirements. Traditional windows may need frequent repairs, resealing, or painting due to wear and tear from exposure to the elements. In contrast, hurricane-resistant windows are built to last. Made from high-quality materials such as impact-resistant glass and strong frames, they require minimal maintenance and are designed to withstand Florida's humid climate, salt air, and harsh weather conditions. With hurricane-resistant windows, you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. These windows are a long-term investment that can provide lasting protection for your home. Insurance saving. Installing hurricane-resistant windows can also lead to potential insurance savings. Many insurance companies offer discounts on premiums for homes with hurricane-rated windows because they reduce the risk of damage during a storm. Over time, the savings on your insurance premiums can offset the initial cost of installation, making it an even more worthwhile investment. Peace of mind during hurricane season. Lastly, one of the greatest benefits of hurricane-resistant windows is the peace of mind they provide during hurricane season. Knowing that your windows are designed to withstand the most extreme conditions gives you confidence that your home is secure and protected. You won't have to scramble to board up your windows or worry about potential damage. With these windows in place, you can rest easy, knowing that your home is ready for whatever the storm may bring. Conclusion. Hurricane-resistant windows are a smart investment for Deltona homeowners. For homeowners in Deltona, hurricane-resistant windows are an essential investment. They offer protection against severe weather, water intrusion, energy savings, and increased home value. By choosing to install these windows, you are not only safeguarding your home from hurricane damage but also improving its comfort, durability, and long-term value. With the unpredictable nature of hurricane season in Florida, it's important to take proactive steps to protect your home. Investing in hurricane-resistant windows provides lasting protection, helping you avoid costly repairs and giving you peace of mind during storm season and beyond.